P block elements 2. In this video, we are going to discuss about preparation of oxo acids of nitrogen. Preparation of oxo acids of nitrogen. So we have hyponitrous acid, pernitrous acid, nitric acid, and pernitric acid preparation. So preparation of oxo acids of nitrogen. First, we are going to prepare hyponitrous acid. Hyponitrous acid. Molecular formula H2N2O2, in which nitrogen is in +1 oxidation state. Nitrogen is in +1 oxidation state. How it is prepared? It is prepared from AgN2O2. If it is +1, 2 plus 4 minus, the charge on N2O2 is 2 minus. We know silver always +1. When we write in class, that 2 is here, this 1 is there. Ag2N2O2. This is nothing but silver 1, oxidation state of silver is 1. Hyponitride, silver 1, hyponitride. When treated with hydrochloric acid, HCl. H +1, chlorine -1. The Ag plus is combined with the Cl minus, form AgCl, silver chloride, plus H plus combined with the N2O2 minus, form HN2O2. N2O2 oxidation state 2 minus H plus. When you write in class, that 2 is here, 1 is here. So this is your hyponitrous acid preparation, H2N2O2. Why it is called hyponitrous acid? The oxidation state of nitrogen is the lowest oxidation state among the nitrous acid, so it is called hypo. Nitrous acid, second acid, oxo acid of nitrogen is nitrous acid. What is the molecular formula? HNO2. And the nitrogen oxidation state here is +3. Nitrous acid is prepared from barium nitride. Barium alkaline earth metal, oxidation state 2+. Nitrite NO2, it is a -1. 3 plus 4 minus gives -1. So write the valency of nitrate here and barium here, BaNO2. What is the name? Barium nitrite. Barium nitrite. When treated with sulfuric acid, HSO4. Sulfate is a 2 minus ion, H is monopositive. When you write in class, that 2 is here, this 1 is there, gives double decomposition. Now you can simply complete the reaction. This plus is added to this minus, this plus is added to this minus, gives barium sulfate. Barium sulfate. Sulfate valency 2, barium valency 2, 2 get cancel. H combined with the NO2, form HNO2. Nitrous acid is prepared. 2 hydrogen, 2 NO2, 2 hydrogen, 2 NO2. So this method used to prepare nitrous acid. Third oxo acid of nitrogen is pernitrous acid. nitrous acid. From the heading, we can select the reactant simply. From the heading, we can select the reactant. So, what is the molecular formula? HOONO. Nitrogen oxidation state is +5 in per nitrous acid. Per nitrous acid. So, see the name of these three acids. One is hypo nitrous acid, another one is nitrous acid, third one is per nitrous acid. These three acids are nitrous acid, simply as acid. So, among the three nitrous acid, nitrogen is in very low oxidation state, therefore it is called hypo. The element is in its lowest oxidation state is indicated by the prefix hypo, and the element nitrogen is in the highest oxidation state, that is indicated by per. So, now you know the difference. All these are nitrous acid. Among the three, the lowest oxidation state nitrogen +1, therefore it is indicated by hypo. Highest oxidation state +5, it is indicated by per nitrous acid. Now, how to prepare? From the name itself, we can select the reactant. So, this per indicate presence of peroxide structure, peroxide and nitrous acid. Peroxide molecular formula H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, HOOH. This is your hydrogen peroxide plus. And nitrous acid, this is your nitrous acid, HNO2, nitrous acid. So, what is the molecular formula? HON double bond O. So, one of the reactant is nitrous acid and another one reagent is hydrogen peroxide, and nitrous acid. H plus from hydrogen peroxide, OH minus from nitrous acid is removed as water molecule. So, nitrogen plus is now added to this minus, gives HOO. This is the peroxide structure. N, this minus is added to this plus, N double bond O plus one water molecule H2O. So, this is your per nitrous acid. Nitrogen is an highest oxidation state of as acid. Nitrogen equal to +5. Then, an important preparation of nitric acid, a very known acid, nitric acid. We know in industry, nitric acid HNO3 is prepared by Ostwald process. Molecular formula for nitric acid HNO3, nitrogen is in +5 oxidation state. If you see the molecular formula for per nitrous acid and nitrous acid, both are same, HNO3, but here it containing a peroxide structure and there is no peroxide structure in nitric acid. How it is prepared? It is prepared by Ostwald process. Ostwald process of manufacture of nitric acid. Ostwald process of manufacture of nitric acid. Now, in the first reaction, ammonia NH3, which is prepared by manufactured by Haber's process, is mixed with the excess of oxygen, which is obtained by the fractional distillation of liquid air, or mixed and preheated. The preheated gaseous mixture is passed into a catalytic chamber which consists of platinum gas as a catalyst. Gas na kambi valainu per. Platinum catalyst oxidize nitrogen into nitric oxide and hydrogen into H2O. We know how to balance this reaction. Double the number. 4 nitrogen. How many hydrogen here? 12 hydrogen. So, here 6 oxygen, 6 into 2. 6 oxygen, 5 into 2 are 10. So by fractional method we can easily balance this reaction by fractional method. NH3 plus O2 gives NO plus H2O. If oxygen is present in the molecular state alone, so this reaction can be balanced by fractional method. How to balance this reaction? Here 3 oxygen, there 2 oxygen. Even number, odd number. அந்த ஈவன் நம்பரை தூக்கி இதுக்கு முன்னாடி போடுங்க, ஆன் நம்பரை தூக்கி அதுக்கு முன்னாடி போடுங்க. ஹைட்ரோஜன் பேலன்ஸ்டு, 2 nitrogen 2 nitrogen. So in the first step of balancing this equation, other than oxygen we have to balance the element. Oxygen தவிர மற்ற எலமெண்ட்டை ஃபுல்லாக பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணணும். 2 nitrogen 2 nitrogen 6 hydrogen 6 hydrogen. Then oxygen in the molecular state, it is present on the left hand side. Count the number of oxygen on the right hand side. 2 plus 3 equal to 5 oxygen. Left hand side also we should have 5 oxygen. Here there is no oxygen. So ask a question. 2 into dash equal to 5. 2 into 5 by 2 equal to 5. Now the whole equation is multiplied by the denominator quantity. When it is multiplied, you will get 4, 5, 4, 6. So this is first step, in which ammonia is oxidized by platinum, gives nitric oxide and water molecule. Nitric oxide is a neutral oxide. Therefore, already we have taken oxygen in excess. That nitric oxide undergo oxidation gives acetic oxide, nitrogen dioxide, NO2. Acetic oxide. Acetic oxide undergo dimerization, which is in gaseous state, NO2. It undergo dimerization. NO2, when cooled to minus 11 degrees Celsius, reddish brown gaseous compound is converted into crystalline solid of nitrogen tetroxide, which is also acetic oxide. Finally, that acetic oxide N2O4, when dissolved in water and treated with oxygen, this oxygen oxidizes 4 plus N2O4 into 5 plus nitric acid. 5 plus nitric acid. This reaction can also balance it by fractional method. That means first oxygen is in the molecular state, except oxygen, other elements must be balanced first. 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. So oxygen is in the molecular state on the left hand side. Count the number of oxygen on the opposite side. 2 into 3 are 6 oxygen. So apart from this, we have 5 oxygen. We require 1 oxygen. Ask a question. 2 into dash equal to 1. 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 1. Now when the whole equation is multiplied by 2, you will get 2N2O4 plus 2H2O plus O2 gives 4HNO3. So this is Ostwald process of preparation of which compound? Nitric acid. Then come to last oxo acid of nitrogen, per-nitric acid. Preparation of per-nitric acid. Per-nitric acid, nitrogen is in plus 7 oxidation state, HNO4. Nitrogen is in the highest oxidation state, therefore it is indicated by per-nitric acid. Here also from the word per, we can select the reactant. Peroxide, like the previous compound, per-nitrous acid, here also peroxide. OH, hydrogen peroxide. When treated with N2O5, nitrogen pentoxide. Nitrogen pentoxide. N2O5. அந்த N2O5 தான் நான் இப்போ கொஞ்சம் பிரித்து எழுதுகிறேன். நைட்ரோஜன் பென்டாக்சைடு. O டபுள் பாண்ட் N சிங்கிள் பாண்ட் O, இது நைட்ரோஜன் பென்டாக்சைடோட ஸ்ட்ரக்சர், நம்ம படித்த ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் அப்படியே எழுதியிருக்கேன். திஸ் இஸ் யுவர் நைட்ரோஜன் பென்டாக்சைடு. நைட்ரோஜன் ஹேஸ் பாசிட்டிவ் சார்ஜ், இங்கேயும் ப்ளஸ் தான், அங்கேயும் ப்ளஸ் தான். 1 H plus from peroxide and NO3. இந்த H plus எதில் போய் சேரும்னா அந்த மைனஸில் போய் சேரும். எந்த மைனஸில்? இந்த மைனஸில் போய் இந்த H plus சேரும். This plus is added to this minus. இந்த ப்ளஸ் அப்படியே இங்கே வரும். வந்தால் உங்களுக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? பெர் நைட்ரஸ் ஆசிட் HOO இதை கொண்டு போய் சேருங்க. N double bond O minus, this is per nitric acid plus loss of HNO3 nitric acid. அந்த nitric acid தான் இது HNO3, இதுதான் nitric acid per nitrous acid. So in this video so far we have discussed the preparation of oxo acids of nitrogen. 5 acid we have discussed. One is hypo nitrous acid, nitrous acid, per nitrous acid, then nitric acid, finally per nitric acid. Thank you.